everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add money to Coinbase. Adding money to your Coinbase account allows you to buy cryptocurrencies directly from the platform. So here is how you can easily add money to your Coinbase account. Tap open your Coinbase application from your app drawer and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage for Coinbase after logging in, go ahead and tap on the waffle menu at the top left corner. Now click on Profile and Settings from the top of the page and click on Add a Payment Method. You can go ahead and choose the type of payment method you want to add. The options include bank account, debit card, gift card, and direct deposits. You might also see PayPal for certain regions. If you don't see it on your particular device, then it means that the PayPal option is not available for the region that you are residing in. Select any one option and follow through the instruction. After you add in a payment method, you can easily deposit funds from the chosen method. So that is how you will be able to add money to Coinbase. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.